Have you ever wondered about the most breathtaking landscapes in France? Picture a country where the landscapes are as varied as they are stunning. From the ethereal beauty of lavender fields to the majesty of towering cliffs, the dramatic gorges to the surreal island commune, and oh, the largest sand dune in Europe. Today, we're taking a journey across France to explore these natural wonders, counting down the top 5. Intrigued? You should be. So, without further ado, let's unveil the 5th most breathtaking landscape in France. Imagine a majestic island commune rising from the tides in Normandy. That's our number 5, Mont Saint-Michel. A marvel of medieval architecture, Mont Saint-Michel is a sight to behold. At its heart stands the stunning abbey, a testament to the human spirit and its yearning for the divine. Its sharp spires, stout defensive walls, and delicate flying buttresses seem to defy gravity, reaching towards the heavens. The drama of the island doesn't end with its architecture. It's surrounded by the largest tidal range in Europe. At high tide, the island is surrounded by water, creating the illusion of a floating castle. At low tide, the sea retreats to reveal a sweeping bay. Steeped in rich history, Mont Saint-Michel has been a strategic fortification, a place of pilgrimage, and an abbey. Its allure has stood the test of time, earning it a spot as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Now let's travel to a sea of purple in the heart of France. Welcome to our number 4, the mesmerizing lavender fields of Provence. Imagine an endless sea of vibrant lavender, swaying gently under a brilliant Provençal sun. The fields dance with a color so intense, it's as if a painter has spilled their palette across the landscape. The air is heavy with the intoxicating fragrance of lavender, a scent that lingers on your skin, in your hair, a souvenir you carry with you long after you've left. The best time to visit, of course, is in the summer, from late June to early August, when the lavender is in full bloom and the fields are a stunning purple spectacle. But Provence is more than just lavender. There are the vineyards, producing some of the finest wines in the world, and the charming villages, each one a step back in time. From the calming lavender fields, we venture into the depths of a grand canyon. At number 3, we have the awe-inspiring Gorges du Verdon. This gem, tucked away in southeastern France, is often referred to as Europe's Grand Canyon. Its turquoise waters snake their way through towering limestone cliffs, creating a spectacle that leaves visitors spellbound. The Verdon River, which has sculpted these gorges over thousands of years, offers a variety of adventurous activities to those who dare. From whitewater rafting to kayaking, there's no shortage of opportunities for thrill seekers. And for those who prefer their feet firmly on solid ground, the region's numerous hiking trails offer breathtaking views of the canyon. But the Gorges du Verdon isn't just about adrenaline-pumping activities. It's also home to charming Provençal villages, where life slows down and the aroma of lavender fills the air. These villages, perched high above the canyon, offer a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. From the grandeur of the canyon, we move to the dramatic coastline. Our number 2 takes us to the dramatic Étretat Cliffs. Rising majestically from the sea, these towering cliffs of white chalk are adorned with spectacular natural arches. They've served as a muse to many famous artists, their raw beauty captured in countless masterpieces. Venture to the cliff tops and you're rewarded with panoramic views that will take your breath away. A symphony of land, sea, and sky, the Étretat Cliffs are a testament to nature's grandeur. Now let's discover the number 1 landscape in France. And the most breathtaking landscape in France is the majestic Dune du Pilat. Imposing in its grandeur, Dune du Pilat is a marvel of nature, proudly wearing the title of Europe's tallest sand dune. Rising to a height of over 100 meters, it stretches a staggering 2.5 kilometers long and 500 meters wide. The climb to the top might be a challenge, but the reward is a panoramic view that is nothing short of spectacular. You'll find yourself standing on a golden crest, with the vast Atlantic Ocean on one side and a lush green forest on the other. It's a sight that will leave you breathless. And let's not forget about the nearby Bay of Arcachon, a serene water body that adds to the picturesque charm of this location. These are the top 5 breathtaking landscapes in France, each one a testament to the country's natural beauty and diversity. Which one would you visit first?